JJ.A.C Tech Channel. Yoosee Q5-Y, Indoor Wi-Fi IP Camera, Unboxing and Demonstration. (355-degree rotation, wide-angle monitoring, and vertical rotation can be adjusted by 90 degrees. No blind spots. Advanced night vision with a viewing distance of 10 meters in pitch darkness with no light pollution. Save your videos to a microSD card so you can access your video content and history at any time. With continuous or motion-detected recordings, SD cards with a maximum capacity of 64 gigabytes are supported. Package contents, installation guide, mounting brackets and kits, 5 volts DC power adapter, Yoosee Q5-Y unit. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.